How to turn off professional mode on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off professional mode on Facebook. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon, which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And now here, once you are in your profile section, just tap on the three dot menu, which can be seen beside the edit button. So here, simply tap on it. And now here, once you are in the profile settings section, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as Turn Professional Mode Off. So here in this section, simply tap on continue, and here you simply have to tap on different buttons as guided. And once you do that, your account will be morphed into the personal account. And that's it. That's how you can turn off professional mode on Facebook. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.